The 2026 Ford Mustang GTD represents a bold evolution of the iconic Mustang nameplate, blending muscle car heritage with modern performance and advanced engineering. This limited production, road-legal beast is inspired by the Mustang GT3 race car, and it's designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, both on the street and the track. From its aggressive exterior to its high-tech interior and race-derived hardware, the GTD sets a new benchmark for what a performance Mustang can be in the modern era. It captures attention with its aerodynamic profile, wide stance, and purposeful design that screams speed, even while standing still. The body features carbon fiber components, a prominent rear wing, a deep front splitter, and massive rear diffuser, all engineered for high-speed stability and downforce. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang GTD is powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, expected to produce around 800 horsepower. This monstrous power plant is paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch rear transaxle, providing near-perfect weight distribution and razor-sharp handling. The GTD boasts a semi-active suspension system that constantly adapts to road and track conditions, delivering exceptional cornering capabilities and comfort when needed. Its rear suspension setup and hydraulic controls are derived from motorsport technology, showcasing Ford's intent to build a true street-legal race car. Whether accelerating in a straight line or carving through tight corners, the GTD remains composed and blisteringly fast. The performance is further enhanced by a lightweight construction that includes extensive use of carbon fiber for the fenders, roof, and trunk. Massive brakes with carbon ceramic rotors ensure confidence-inspiring stopping power, while the wide, sticky tires mounted on forged aluminum wheels provide exceptional grip. Aerodynamic efficiency plays a critical role in the GTD's overall package, with every vent, scoop, and surface crafted to manage airflow for cooling and stability. Active aerodynamic elements work together to maximize performance at various speeds, making the car as functional as it is visually striking. Step inside the Mustang GTD and the race-inspired theme continues. The cabin features high-quality materials, like Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, with heavily bolstered Recaro seats that keep the driver planted during aggressive driving. The digital cockpit includes a customizable display and advanced infotainment system, along with race telemetry features for track days. Drivers can tailor their experience through various drive modes, including settings for suspension stiffness, steering response, and throttle mapping. A minimalistic yet purposeful interior design keeps the focus on driving while offering the technology and comfort expected in a modern performance vehicle. In terms of technology, the GTD is packed with modern driver assist and connectivity features. It includes Ford's latest SYNC infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, a premium audio system, navigation, and wireless charging. Safety is not overlooked with features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Despite its hardcore nature, the GTD manages to be both a performance weapon and a daily capable car when needed. The 2026 Ford Mustang GTD is not just a performance statement, but also a technological showcase that pushes the limits of what a street-legal car can achieve. It represents Ford's ambition to compete at the highest level of engineering and design, blurring the lines between track machines and road-going sports cars. With limited production numbers, it promises exclusivity and collectability, making it a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Its design, performance, and technology are a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation while honoring the Mustang's legacy. The GTD is more than just a fast Mustang. It is a purpose-built machine aimed at dominating the world's toughest circuits and thrilling its driver every mile along the way. The 2026 GTD isn't just about numbers on paper. It is about emotion, presence, and the thrill that comes from mastering a machine that's built to perform at the edge. It is a symbol of the future of American performance, combining brute force with precision engineering and cutting-edge tech. Whether parked in a showroom or flying down a straightaway, the Mustang GTD stands as a bold new chapter in the Mustang story, one where motorsport passion meets modern-day excellence. It is a car that demands to be driven hard and appreciated for its engineering brilliance. A true halo car in every sense of the word.